Sources of river water. Rivers are dynamic natural systems that receive water from various sources, and their water comes from both surface and subsurface contributions. Here are the primary sources of river water. Precipitation, rainfall, and snowmelt are significant sources of river water. When it rains or snows, the water can either directly flow into rivers as surface runoff or infiltrate into the ground, contributing to groundwater and eventually feeding into rivers. Surface runoff occurs when precipitation, such as rain or melted snow, flows over the land surface. This runoff collects in rivers and streams, becoming a direct source of river water. The amount and speed of surface runoff depend on factors like topography, soil type, and vegetation cover. Groundwater discharge. Groundwater contributes significantly to river flow. Water stored underground in aquifers eventually discharges into rivers through seepage into riverbeds. This groundwater discharge is crucial, especially during dry periods when it helps maintain base flow in rivers. Subsurface flow. Subsurface flow involves the movement of water below the ground surface, but above the water table. This water can gradually feed into rivers through underground channels and contribute to the overall river discharge. Springs. Springs are locations where groundwater emerges at the surface, often forming the headwaters of rivers. Springs can provide a constant source of water to rivers, especially in mountainous regions or areas with significant underground water flow. Melting snow and glacial runoff. In regions with cold climates, rivers receive water from melting snow and ice, particularly during the warmer seasons. This is common in mountainous areas and polar regions. Glacial runoff is especially important in maintaining river flow in some regions. Lakes and reservoirs. Rivers may receive water from lakes and reservoirs. Lakes act as natural storage for water, and when their levels rise due to precipitation or inflow from tributaries, excess water can spill over into connecting rivers. Human-made reservoirs also release water into rivers, often managed for various purposes, including hydropower generation and water supply. Tributaries. Tributaries are smaller rivers or streams that flow into larger rivers, contributing their water to the main river channel. The combined flow of the main river and its tributaries forms the total discharge of the river. Understanding the various sources of river water is essential for managing water resources sustainably and addressing challenges such as water scarcity, pollution, and changes in precipitation patterns. Rivers play a crucial role in supporting ecosystems, providing water for agriculture and human consumption, and shaping the landscapes they traverse. Please like, share, and subscribe Teacher G.